Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today I'm going to tell you about Sed Command. So first we need to know what is it. So it replaces a string in a file with a new string, find and delete a line, removes empty lines, removes the first or n number of lines in a file to replace tabs with spaces. Then it shows defined lines from a file, and also it's substituted within VI editor, and many more things we are going to see. So that is pretty much about Sed Command in a brief. So let's move on to the practical. So let's start. First, who am I? Pwd host name as usual. Now let's do ls minus ltr, and we'll find a file called countries, right? So let's look inside of it. So we have all these countries. Now say I want to replace this España with Spain. So for that we'll use the command sed, then space, single quote, s, then España, then again slash with Spain, then slash again, and put G to make it global. So if you have many more España in the particular file, it will be replaced with this Spain. Then quote close, and the file name, which is countries. You need to put a space over here, hit enter. Now you can see it has been changed to Spain. Previously it was España, right? So moving on. Now using this command, if you want to change this name, whatever I have changed, it will be displaying in front of you on the screen, but it will not change it inside of the file. So if you do cat space file name countries, it will be the same output, right? So using sed, you can see this was changed, but inside of the file, if I go, it is still España. Now suppose I want to change this name inside of the file. So for that I need to do using same command. I need to put here -i to go into the insert mode, and then it will change the name inside of the file. So let's do that. And now using up arrow, do cat. Now you can see it has been changed to Spain inside of the file. It was previously, if we cat, it was Hispania, now it is Spain. Now it has been changed, right? Now suppose I want to replace the word Hispania is normal. I want to replace it India. India with space. So for that we put single slash again, and do it globally. Put hope, and then the file name, which is countries. Hit enter. You'll see India is gone. It is replaced with space now because I have put space over here, and it has been done globally, but it is not permanent. It will be up to the screen. You can see now this change has been shown onto the screen only. There is no changes onto the file. So if you do cat, you can still see India is there, right? See, India is still there inside of the file. Here on screen, because we have put space after India to replace, so it has been replaced with space and give you the output. Now let's say I want to delete this Russia from this particular line. To do it, we'll use the same command sed, but to delete it, we'll remove s over here, and then put. I want to delete it, so I'll put d here because I want to delete, and the file name. It will be again on screen change. The file will be same because I'm not putting I over here, so it will not be changed permanently. It will show you the output only on screen. See, Russia is gone because I wanted to delete it. So because I put D, so that particular line which is containing Russia is completely deleted from the file, right? And give you the output. Let's say we want to delete some empty lines inside of the file. So for that, let's make the empty line inside of the file. For that, we'll use vi, then countries, go inside of it, go to insert mode and put some empty lines over here. Just hit enter. You'll get all the empty lines. So right now I'm putting it, and I will remove it through the set command. So I'm saving the file. Just check if it is done. Yes, it is there. Now I want to remove these empty lines from the file. So for that, I'm using the command. Now use set and then quote, then slash, then upper cap, and then dollar sign, which means which is before and which is end. Remove everything. That means nothing inside of that file, means empty part, and then put T to delete, and then close it, and then file name countries. Hit enter. Get all the changes in front of you on the screen, but again because I have not put I over here, it is there. If you can check with the cat, you will still find the empty lines over here because I have not used I over there. So to remove that, I need to use I over here, and I want to remove those files. Hit enter. Now you should see the changes. See, every line which was there, it is removed now. No empty lines is containing over here into the file, right? Now say I want to remove this first line from the file countries. So for that I'll use the command sed, then quote, first line 1D, and then close, and then countries, the file name. Hit enter. First line is gone. Now say I want to remove this and also this one on screen. So I want to remove this first two lines from the file. So for that I'll use the command sed and this one comma 2D, two lines want to delete, and the file name. You can see on screen two lines has been deleted, first two lines, and give you the output from the third line onwards, right? Again, I have not changed inside of the file. It is there just to sake of verifying. You can use cat. It's still there. Just to get the output of the set command, I will use it. Now say I want to remove the tabs inside of the file. So for that I need to put some tabs inside of the file. So for that go to vi using your up arrow key command, go inside of the file, go to insert mode, tab over here, also this one and this escape colon wq exclamation to save the file. Check with cat. Its tab is there. So I want to remove it with sed command. Now to do that, we'll use the command sed, then quote substitute, which is s front slash backslash t, which is tab. I want to remove it with space. So this is the space, and I'm putting G, which is globally changing. I want, and the file name countries. Hit enter. You'll see everything is removed, but again it is on screen only. It is not going to be changed inside of the file. Check it with cat. It's still there. So make it permanent inside of the file. You need to use -I over here so that it will remove permanently. Use -I and then hit enter. You'll get the output now. So now it is changed permanently inside of the file. Now what if I want to see inside of this file only from first line till this one, Germany. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 6th line I want to see. So for that I'll use the command sed -n means the line number from first to 6 lines. Use p and then the file name. Hit enter. You'll see you get from first line till 6th, which is starting from England till Germany, right? So that's how we can do with the output of these lines and all. Now suppose I want to see lines except these first three lines. So for that I'll use the command sed and then countries. Hit enter. So you can see I have not been given the output first three lines, which is England, USA, Canada. These three lines has been omitted and rest is given to you as output, right? So that's how you do up on the line you wanna see except those lines. Now suppose I want to put empty lines inside the lines. So for that I use sed, then capital G and the file name. Hit enter. You'll see every line there is a empty line has been put inside of it. Again it's only the output inside of your again this is the output on your screen. There is no change inside of the file. If you check with cat, there must be no change. Yes, there is no change because I have not put I insert command I have not used. Now let's put 2 UK inside of the file first to do some other access. Do it insert mode United Kingdom. Put another United Kingdom over here. And save the file. Cat space file name to United Kingdom has been put. Now I want to replace this United Kingdom with UK except this one. So this is line number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Line 10 I don't want to change anything except that rest I'll put United as UK or anyone with UK, right? So for now suppose I want to replace this one with UK except this one. This is line number 10 and I want to keep it like this except that else United Kingdom I want to replace with UK. So for that I'll use this, which is I need to put a quote over here, front slash, then hit enter. Now I can see the changes. See, this United Kingdom has not been changed because I have said 10th should not be changed, but United Kingdom should be replaced with UK. So wherever United Kingdom is there, it has been replaced with UK, right? So that's the all about the set command. Inside of the file countries using VI countries, go inside of it, and now I want to replace say United Kingdom with UK wherever it will find. So for that I'll do colon just inside of the VI, then percent substitute which one I want to replace, United Kingdom, right? So United Kingdom with UK. Now hit enter, it should be changed, right? So it has been changed to UK. So that's how we'll do inside of the VI double replacement. So that's all for today. We'll meet with you soon with another particular lesson. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you so much for being with me to the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much.